What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today, y'all see the title of the video, man. We're trying to get Big Dolo ready for the track. Going to the track. Going to the track this week, man. Big Dolo turn. Taking it on the 60s. Y'all know, man, I have ran Dolo a lot. Kind of on the rim. But mainly on motor. But I have not ran the car a lot on nitrous. I think I ran it maybe three passes. I made 3 passes on nitrous. No more than 4 tops. I said, can y'all believe it? I ain't really shot nitrous through it a lot anyway. I mean, I probably all together, let me think. 1, 2, you know when you can count your nitrous pass, it ain't a lot. But I probably done ran maybe 11 bottles through it. Total. That between some of the ride reactions on the rims and y'all know on the radio. Maybe 11 bottles. I got 3 nitro passes on let me think. I'm trying to think, y'all. 3 nitro. Yeah, I got about 3 nitro passes, 3, 4, 5 nitro passes on radials, and then maybe 4 on wheels, man. Maybe 4 on wheels, but mainly motor stuff. And y'all know, man, I be forgetting I got a train brake on this car sometimes, but you know we got the train brake too. I don't never use it. I ain't even put the real deal converter in it yet, but it coming. But we finna get these plug chain, man, before the sun go down. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. We checking in. I felt like, Jay, where you at? I'm right here, man. I'm trying to get my setup ready. Then I'm trying to watch too. Cause boy, I killed a baby snake yesterday. So I got in the garage, man. Don't want to be leaving the garage up. I do not leave that garage up, man. When I was staying at my folk house when I was younger, they used to get in the garage sometimes. I be kind of weary of that, man. I don't leave no garage. Leave no garage door. Like, let them jokers down. Baby snake, that was the smallest one I ever seen, man. He had to leave here. He had to leave here. Looked like a copperhead. Kind of hard to tell. I'm talking about it was small. It wasn't the one. It's so small, like you really would have stepped on it, man. You easily step on it. I mean, some grass that ain't been cut. It ain't even got to be super tall. I'm talking about just a little bit. You know how sometimes, you go a couple weeks, your yard your grass grow about that tall. You'll step on it, catch a slip. That's what I said, man, have your shoes on, then them baby snake, they start developing venom gland, ASAP Rocket, some on. ASAP Rocket, they already got venom. I mean, it was tiny. I got a little video of it. If I remember, I throw the clip in so y'all can see. But he had to go to the upper room. I seen him away from here. I flattened him out with that shovel, boy. Boom! Boop! Boop! I was getting it to him, boy. But, so yeah, I'm out here watching out. But, man, we're going to get these things changed. The plan, I don't have no, man, I'm just going to let it eat. Cause the last time y'all saw me spray this thing on these wheels, man, it was just remember the clocks weren't working. And I sprayed it super late. Cause I had never really dialed in on the nitrous on this car. All motor most of the time. So I sprayed it super late, man. Like, I looked at the video last night. I said, God, don't I sprayed that joker late. And it was a long route. They dirty too. Been driving on it. But I think, man, I sprayed the joker about 80 feet out before the doctor came in, man. I had set a delay. Cause see how it gonna do. But that car, especially the pass, one of the passes I done made on meat. I already know. I already know what this will take, cause this is a lot less power than meat. This car here a lot less power than meat. So whatever meat, and meat's on a smaller wheel. A smaller wheel. People be talking about weight, right? With the rims. Some people say they lighter. They ain't that much lighter. Y'all know I done weighed them. If you go ref in the video, I done weighed the 24 and the 26. They ain't that much lighter. They ain't like people think. They ain't a whole lot lighter. But I think meat's a heavier car already. So meat's on 24 versus this car on 26 about even out. About break even. I'm just being real, cause y'all know I had them on scales, all that. And meat's already heavier. Naturally, I mean, it's full vinyl car. Meat's heavier. I think the wheels were, I think these were 96 a piece. 96 pounds, and the folds, I want to say, were 82. If that's off the top of my head. Now, you know, different wheels going to be different weights. Depending on the design, the material used, they're gonna hit different. But meat, I think these 26 are here. And the tire, too. The tire going to matter, too. I run a thicker tire, so. But I think these were 96 and a piece, 96 pounds a piece. So you got and I think what I said, 82. I go reference just to check. But I think, so they're 14 pounds different per wheel. So 56 more pounds. 56 more pounds in wheels, which ain't gonna make up for meat, cause meat's way heavier than DOLO wood. Hard top, naturally. So, but on a hard time stuff, man, I mean, the 24 harder to get under control. Put it like this. You got meats. Meats make a lot more power than DOLO. Alright? So you got a car that make a lot more power on a smaller wheel. It's gonna take more thought to calm it down. And if I would have put some 6s on meat, which I have no plans on doing, by the way, I'm just saying, I have no intentions. Y'all know people don't talk me into nothing. If I don't want to do it, I ain't doing it. But if I would have put 6s on meats, it'll actually calm it down. And see, I go even faster. But I like I'm gonna go way faster on the 24 too when it's all said and done. Hard tire. But yeah, this right here tomorrow, not tomorrow. Well, yeah, it's gonna be tomorrow for y'all. Tomorrow should be a breeze. I mean, I'm gonna run straight off the trailer, out the gate, on the gas. Man, boy, these small block header, boy, be a world of different changes than meats, boy. And I got used to changing meats. These header here, boy, compared to them changing them spark plugs from them big block, a whole lot easier. But yeah, man, I mean, tomorrow it should be a breeze, man. Straight out trailer. Should be straight down Broadway. Of course, depending, you know, you gotta see what the track hitting like. Got to see that, but I mean, I should be able to put a ramp in it and it take, and I see what I want to see. Straight out the trailer. Should be a short night. Long as we don't have long as don't be no crazy stuff going on the track. The tree ain't, not the tree, long as the what's the name, everything working, man. You know, I know they've been in the process trying to get everything right, but you know, as long as everything working, we'll see. But man, let me get this done, cause y'all know I slow me around when I talk, and I'm trying to beat the sunlight for real way before the trying to beat the darkness. And we're gonna get this done. We have time in this today. Either way, it's gonna be in the vlog. We're gonna take wife out in DOLO. Let her make a hit in DOLO. Cause the last 2-3 days we've been practicing in R&B. I ain't been recording it. We just been some solo time practicing. She been locking in, getting better, getting her ready for the track trip in R&B. Gonna be all about her. And yeah, man. But let me get this done. Turn y'all back on in a minute. All right, checking in. Y'all see it done got darker. I got it done though. We got the plugs in. Man, boy, I ain't turning these plugs in a minute, boy. Boy, my hands is broken trying to fit up in here and stuff, man. But we got a chain, so that's all we're gonna do right now. This gonna continue tomorrow, cause I gotta go get some of my special sauce. I gotta get that secret sauce, man. It worked good on meat, so I'm gonna put the secret sauce in here, man. See how it do on those small blocks. So I'm gonna go pick some of that up. I'm gonna pick some cases up. I'm gonna pick some cases up of that secret sauce this time. I had the trial run. I love it. About to convert over, and there it is. So all I got to do tomorrow is change the oil. I already checked the 1 gallon fuel, said it good. All I got to do is check the oil, pour the fuel in tomorrow, and then I'm gonna turn it around. I'm gonna switch R&B and DOLO up. So got this lady right here.
Hey y'all.
you trying to test today or you ain't testing today?
Well, we have time.
Yeah, we make it fast.
Man, I thought it was gonna work on
what?
Video.
Well, what she wanna do. But yeah, man, we're gonna continue tomorrow. Video ain't over, but we're gonna be changing the oil tomorrow. Then we're gonna check some more stuff. I think I gotta do the suspension, all that stuff. Do that tomorrow. But y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow. All right, y'all, we check it in next day. Y'all see where we at. Boom. Come down here and holler at my boy A-Rod. Y'all know this where I get a lot of my stuff. Got the nitro bottle on ice, so y'all better top it off. Got tag team partner Tina with me today. She just waking up from a nap. So we're gonna top this off and get some cases of my secret sauce and 10 gallons of 112 that we get on the channel today. So go see what old A-Rod talking about, y'all. All right, y'all, we check it in. I done got back from A-Rod, me and Tina. Got the load, got everything. Y'all see my friend Rick over here.
Yes, sir.
We getting it all done, man. He just buttoned it up. Said had to order some stuff. They had some brackets in. They had some. It wasn't the right bracket. It wasn't the right bracket on there. We came to see, and we took everything off, but everything is as it should be now. So it's all good to go. Just gotta take it out jack stands and be ready to roll. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and order the back wheel for it, y'all. Some temporary back wheels and and some slicks, some 26s. So take it to the track. Probably train wife in their car too. I probably train in there. They car here actually, I think, I don't know, but I ain't had that though. But they'll be, I think this one just a hair slower than R&B. So if she turning the R&B, she ought to be all right in this. So y'all stay tuned, man. Turn y'all on in a minute. All right, y'all, we checking in. So y'all see a busy day. We went and picked up everything we needed for DOLO, cause we're hitting the track the next day tomorrow. Got back, Rick came through. We did not get train smoke straight. Them power glide different. The bracket mounts up is something you can do on the inside on. Somebody on here gonna know what I'm talking about. I don't deal with power glides. Y'all excuse me back and your wife getting it in. But I don't deal with power glides, so I don't know. But we gonna get it straight, cause the bracket under there, it was kind of rigged up to make it work. So we got everything like it's supposed to be. So now it causing a problem with the other part of it. But anyway, long story short, man, we gonna get it straight and all that. But like I said, I hope we get train smoke back straight with the shifter cable and all that, cause I ain't drove the car in 3 weeks now. But we gonna be back on it, man, 2 days from now. So I ain't gonna hold y'all up no longer on this vlog, man. But we got Dolo all buttoned up, ready to roll. Got everything we need. I'm gonna get out there. I'm gonna change the oil early tomorrow on test and tune day, right before I'm gonna get up in the morning, right after our workout, get that done. And load it on the trailer. We'll be ready to roll, man. So y'all check in. We're gonna be running Dolo on the NITROUS on 26. So I had that vlog coming out today. Appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG. We out.